The error message, "Transaction failed due to incorrectly calculated hash parameter," indicates that the hash value provided during the payment request is incorrect. The hash value is a security measure used to verify the authenticity of the transaction details. When the hash value is incorrect, it means that the data has been tampered with or is not valid. To resolve this error, you need to ensure that the hash value is calculated correctly using the provided formula. The formula may vary depending on the integration method and merchant configuration. Please refer to the PayUBiz documentation for the specific formula applicable to your integration. Here are some additional steps you can take to prevent this error from occurring in the future. 1. Double-check the hash calculation. Before submitting the payment request, carefully review the hash value and ensure it matches the expected value. 2. Use the latest PayUBiz SDK. Keep your PayUBiz SDK updated to the latest version. This ensures that you are using the most recent security measures and bug fixes. 3. Validate input data. Verify that all input data, such as merchant ID, transaction ID, amount, and currency, is accurate and corresponds to the actual transaction. 4. Test the integration thoroughly. Before deploying the payment integration in production, thoroughly test it in a sandbox environment to identify and address any potential issues. 5. Consult PayUBiz support. If you continue to encounter issues with hash calculation or payment processing, contact PayUBiz customer support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance and troubleshoot any underlying problems. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.